Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana Taneja. So today we have another question from Maths Olympiad and from Shangru Tevling in Sweden. If you look at this question, this is very simple if you know the rules of triangles, right? We know that angle sum property of a triangle, like sum of all angles in a triangle is 180 degree. We know that if we have an isosceles triangle, then opposite angles are equal, right? So let us look at those rules and let us do this question. Let's start. What do we have here? They say us that triangle A dash B dash C dash. If you see triangle A dash B dash and C dash, right? I will highlight it like this: A dash B dash and C dash, right? This is a triangle, not B dash, A dash B and C dash, right? Why? They said they had a triangle A, B and C. This triangle they already had. What did they do? The same triangle, they just flipped it or rotated it. They rotated it around this vertex B and then they got this triangle, this one. Okay, so that means, what does this thing mean? This means that this AB is same as AB, right? A dash B, right? This is same point, but after rotation we got this thing. And then this means that this AC, if we look at this side, I will highlight it like this: AC is same as this side, AC. Okay, and this thing, this point, what? This BC, if you see this thing, this BC is same as BC dash. Okay, so actually this is not different triangle, these are same. Actually ABC is same as A dash B dash, A dash B C dash, right? Okay, then they say the point C, A dash and C dash. Okay, let us look at these points. C is here, A dash is here and C dash is here. They say they lie in a straight line. Okay, so let us join this straight line like this. So this is a straight line. The figure is not up to scale, but actually this point is, if I match this, this is this line. This is a straight line. Okay. I will remove this extra line. Okay. So we have here now, what do we have here? They are saying now that the size of angle ACB, if this angle is 15 degrees, the size of angle ACB is 15 and we need to find out the size of angle BAC. So BAC, that means this angle we need to find. I don't know what this angle is, but we need to find this angle. Okay, now let us see. If you look at this triangle, I will highlight this triangle, this triangle. This triangle is what? BCC dash, right? If you look at this triangle, this side is equal to this side. That means this is an isosceles triangle, right? If this is an isosceles triangle, that means this angle will be equal to this angle, right? Okay. And what is this angle then? Let us see. Since we know that these two triangles are same, this is angle C. If this angle C is 15, this angle C is also 15, right? So that means what does this mean? That this angle will also be equal to 15. Why? Because these two sides are equal. This is BC and this BC dash, they are actually same triangle. The sides are equal. So if you look at these two triangles, so this thing, that means we can find out this angle then, right? This angle. Since this is 15, this is 15, this whole angle will be 150 according to angle sum property, right or not? Yes. Why 150? Because sum of this angle plus this is, suppose I say this is x. So x plus 15 is equal to 180. So x is equal to 150 degrees. Now we know this exterior angle. Now you remember exterior angle property? If I say this angle is y, so that means y plus 15 is equal to 150 degree. Exterior angle property of a triangle, that sum of to interior opposite angle is equal to exterior angle, right? So y is equal to 135 degrees, right? So this angle we found is 135 degrees, right? So I hope you understood this. This was not hard. We just need to apply our knowledge to these types of questions, right? We know angle sum property. We know the property of isosceles triangle. We know exterior angle property. We just need to apply this knowledge to this question, to the any question we get, right? So if you like it, do subscribe to my channel and visit my channel for more such questions. And if you like to solve maths riddles, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in next video.